Do you suffer from really bad headaches or migraines? Well, I've got the herb just for you. Osha, also known as bear medicine, is a perennial growing from 1 to 3 feet tall. In the winter, the above ground parts die back to a thick, woody, and very aromatic rootstock. The plant has larger basal leaves, white flowers, and reddish oblong fruit. It is in the carrot family and it is a great pollinator. It can grow in U.S. growing zones 3 through 10. However, it is native to the Rocky Mountains near aspen trees. Do not consume if pregnant or nursing. The roots are used medicinally for colds, coughs, bronchial pneumonia, flu, and other respiratory infections. It is also used to treat fever, diarrhea, gastrointestinal disorders, hangover, sore throats, convulsing, to stimulate appetite, to treat anemia, hemorrhaging, tuberculosis, stomach disorders, earaches, sinus infections, congestion, and rheumatism. I like it because it relieves the symptoms of migraines. It can also be used externally to treat aches and pains, digestive problems, wounds, skin infections, and scorpion stings. You can even use the hollow stems to smoke, which can help to break a nicotine habit. Osha is great for so many things, but as I said before, I really like it for the relief of headaches or migraines. It works great, and I do recommend it if you suffer from headaches or migraines. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried Osha or if you want to try Osha for any of these health ailments. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.